Hi, let's talk about when and how to start a team. There are two types of strategies when it comes to team building. The first one is the traditional, let me build a team, recruit some buyer agents, have an assistant, maybe two, and ramp up my production. So a team is a vehicle to create leverage to scale up your business. There are only so many transactions you can do by yourself. And if you're going down that route, then you have to be aware that your job now is to be a rainmaker and to generate business. And until you get to the point where you have more business than you can handle yourself, it absolutely makes no sense for you to start bringing on buyer agents that are going to get your buyer's side transactions and in essence get 50% of the commission on those. So the first step in building a team and the second perspective is a team, a virtual team that you can start immediately even if you are a new agent. What do we mean by that? Well, being a team or being part of a team or being a team leader gives you a lot of marketing muscle, and the truth is today you don't need to hire a full-time assistant in order to build a team. When I started in the business, I started out as a team. I immediately hired a full-time employee, an assistant, and then started adding buyer agents to my team as my business volume, my listing side volume started to ramp up. But today, you can be a solo agent and still be a team. You can present yourself as a team, you can be the XYZ real estate group, and you can utilize virtual assistants, and I'm going to talk about that in another video, to support you in your marketing, support you in your operations, support you with your listings, with your transactions and so forth, in a way that allows you to ramp up your business, ramp up your volume without having to bring on any employees or hire buyer agents. Now, once your volume gets up to the point where you need to bring on more people because you're missing out on opportunities, then you can go down the traditional team building route. But for starters, there are virtual assistants, there are ISAs, there are companies that provide these services, there are listing coordinators, there are transaction coordinators. The list goes on and on. You can surround yourself with a team of 4, 5, 6 people, a mortgage professional, a title professional, a transaction coordinator, a listing concierge, an inside sales agent or two, or a company that has many of them that provides follow-up and support to you, an administrative assistant VA, an executive assistant VA, many of them very inexpensive, $4.50, $5 an hour. So you can start building a team that is going to free you up to do the highest payoff activities, which is to generate business and service your customers. I hope you found this helpful and it gives you some things to think about. If you have any questions, please feel free to direct message me or leave a comment here. I would love to start a conversation. And I'd love to ask you how you are working on the team building aspect. Do you have an assistant? Do you have virtual assistants? Do you use transaction coordinators? How do you create leverage in your business to allow you to be more productive and more profitable? Hope to hear from you. Again, this is Thomas Hyman with Realty Partners.